recording of every trade I take. Like I'm just gonna, cause nobody watches my stream or anything, so I'm just gonna like save it in private. So every time I trade like 9:30, I'm gonna just have that shit in private, saved. Then like down the line of time, I'll be able to be like, damn, this is where I started from, recording myself. And I feel like this is like the best journal because you're talking. Like right now we're talking, it's going in the stream, saving. But I'm gonna put it to private though.
Yeah, like I did that when I was like a couple like 2 weeks ago. I was recording myself in a trade, and I was recording everything I was thinking. And I'm just like, all right, I'm probably gonna look at this later on in the years, laugh about it.
You know what I'm saying? But in like 4 years from now, man, it's gonna be crazy where you're gonna get to, bro. Like 4 years from now.
Yeah, I know.
It just takes time, man. The thing is like at least you've tasted the money, man. You've seen the possibility. But once you know what you're doing, man, you're like consistent. It's nothing beats this shit, bro.
Now I know I'm gonna get good at it. Just like I gotta just grind. But now it's like, how is it gonna be when I start making money off of it? It's like, how is it? I wonder how it's gonna turn, and I wonder how taxes is too.
I feel like
Like, what's it look?
if you're making like 6 grand already, man, I think like it's not gonna be like depends on how much you like you switch over, like how much you leverage, cause I even feel like just cause you're probably used to a certain amount of money, you'd have to like adjust because you can't really start trading once say you learn what you're doing, you gotta start small. Like you have to like stay a few months, desensitize yourself to the feel good moments. You know when you're in a trade, you get all happy. You need to take that shit away. You got to be like emotionless. So you have to like relearn how to trade in a sense, like relearn the emotion part of it
Yeah,
to be like. Then you have to think. Oh, it depends how you want to go. I feel like funded accounts are the best route right now because you could be like you could just spend $100, get a $50,000 account, make a $20,000 payout. All you gotta do is make 10% in a month. And there's some funded accounts right now doing no time limit.
oh damn.
Like there's no like unless you have 3 months to make 10%. So it's just like it's not isn't it a matter of just patience, right? Doing it the right way, risking 1% of the account until you make. But the thing is like at that point you have to know what you're doing first, though. Like it's just not gonna happen. So we're above. You have $50. Like you can't even trade anything with $50. You
Trade
sh
0.011 or 0.001s.
oh,
Nah,
and
but I'm not worried about the demo confirming.
I'm telling you, stay there until you at least until you finish that mentorship, man. You like I wouldn't like say trade anything until you finish that whole mentorship. That's what I would say. Not trade anything, just chill, control the impulse stuff. Feel like you need a trade, man. I don't know. Like, see, this is where I start, man. It's like I don't know. So you have to like try to predict where the daily how the daily candle's gonna close, like up day, up down day. So where's the drawn liquidity? So that's where like if I would say like you're learning, put 90% of your attention into understanding, learning the drawn liquidity, because that's where most of the problems is. Trying to understand where is it likely to expand to,
Yeah,
and
I think
also
it's gonna go down. Also,
using
what?
power three. That's always also understanding power three like accumulation, distribution, and manipulation. You also have to you also have to understand that shit. So right now, 8:30 starts. We've taken out.
What are you looking at? The
I'm looking at
ESU.
yeah, I'm looking at ESU. I try to just stay in one market, man. I feel like you don't need. I guess sometimes opportunities are better in other markets, but for first starting off, you don't need to like look at so many, man. It's harder to look at so many. Like you see how we didn't run that low? Is it making me think
Yeah.
like that when the run up we're about to have into that Ferrari gap could dump us to that low right there. Are you watching ESU?
Wait. Yeah, I'm on it right now. You said we
Yeah.
passed that low.
You see that
Like, what do you
Ferrari
think?
gap that we're trading
How did it
into?
break?
It's making me think this is gonna take out that low
What time frame are you on?
on the 1 minute.
1 minute. So on the 15 minute, you know how you're supposed to mark up like the high and the low before 8:30. That's what they're
Uh,
showing me.
he said he. I think he means just mark out. You have to just mark out liquidity and where you think liquidity is.
Yeah,
And then the 15-minute highs and lows are definitely a big pool of liquidity. You see that? It's like, bro, niggas is knowing the future now. It's like we're
yeah.
knowing the future. All right, so was that five
So
points? Could I have scalped that? That was like 2 points. So we did below midnight opening price. So it's 15 high and low. Yeah. The lows got taken out now. So in the sense of offset distribution, if today's gonna be an up day, this is where that move happens. And this is where it's like your bias comes into fruition of where you think the market's gonna go.
yeah, I mean ESU's been going crazy.
Yeah, it's been
You think keep going up?
oh, we just took out a pool. We took out sell side. So that's like the first thing I know. What have we done? That's what I kind of like try to do. So we've taken out sell side. So now it's one of those situations where it's like, do you think we go lower into more sell side? Like that was clean sell. That's equal lows for sure. So where's the pull up? Where's buy side now? That's where you think. Where's buy side? Where's buy side liquidity? And what's the
Right above.
time? Yeah, but if you're going long, or if you're going long, where do you want price to go? That's on the Planet Games
I know where
9:30.
it's kind of reacting in that fair value gap. It's just like it's sitting there. It's like consolidating there. So maybe we'll get a reverse.
But you're waiting for a swing low to get taken out. But the problem for me now is like, okay, longs could work, but from where to where can I go long? That's my thing. Like, where's the dealing range are we
Long
in?
as sell.
Okay, we're in a discount. You see that? You see how we're in a discount of like the high to low? So
Yeah.
I want to go long right there.
Oh, look
But
at
there's no
this.
shift in market structure. So if we were long, we want to see this work. We want to see this hold. Like, we want to see this inversion for value gap because you see how it's a bearish for value gap. We want to see
Yeah,
this
and
turn
then
into support on the 1 minute.
it
So
just
like,
shot down.
did it? Are you under U? Because we're it's still inside for value gap on my stuff.
It's the ESU 2023, right?
Yeah,
Mini S&P 500 futures, September 23. That's
yeah.
what it is.
ESC 2023 1 minute chart.
Yeah, that 1 minute candle it like kind of just went below that recent low. Shot
Yeah.
back up real quick.
So this is where like I'll you be waiting for a shift in market structure, or you're waiting
Isn't this
for
considered
hmm.
this is a bearish or no a bullish flag? You know what a bullish flag is?
Shit, I don't even know what that is, bro.
Some
But why
retail
you thinking
trader
about
told me.
that, bro? That's the problem. Why you thinking about that?
I'm just looking.
No,
That's what
bro.
they said.
Kick that shit off your head. We don't use that. That's wrong. Wait, where do you even see that? Because every time you see that, you should fade that. So what do you so in a sense, if that's a bullish flag, what do you think's supposed to be happening?
It's just gonna stay in a trend, and then if it breaks
We
out
say a
of that
bullish
trend,
one.
yeah, because it's like kind of downward, like it's kind of I don't know how to explain. It's like consolidating downward. So you just
Shit.
draw a trend line. But it's just a thought. It's just I'm looking. I'm not. I'm just. You gotta wait for a setup.
Yeah, this is where it's like I guess now you can like it's now you know a little bit now, so it's like I can walk you through how I do it. So it's like right now is where it's like where is the drone liquidity? That's where you like that's like literally the main question, bro. To be right, like you can't like yeah like I'm not just gonna be sitting on that 1 minute chart. I'm looking at the high. I'm looking at the time frames. Where could it be reaching for? Where's the pool of liquidity that it could be going to. Like where is it? Like where's the new week opening gaps? Where's the inefficiencies below price? Where's the finish efficiencies inefficiencies above price? So you're looking for those things on a higher time frame to understand like where could it be going to. Like we know sell side has been taken, so a rule of thumb is like every time sell side has been taken and you're bullish, so this is looking like a, you know how we go up, then New York. You don't know that part. There's no way you do. But it's something called like New York session profile. So sometimes the New York reversal or the continuation of what London did. So then you,
Oh,
so it's like now I'm seeing this. We just took out pool liquidity, like a big one. But don't forget today's FOMC and unemployment. So the market's gonna be shitty. It's going to be shitty.
oh, you took out the big liquidity?
You've taken out a pool of liquidity. I don't know if this is word main liquidity, but it's a pool. But as for right now, there's no reason to take a trade. But I don't have all my screens on, so let me. I've been only on one chart, so I needed them go look at. So now this is where I start looking at the dollar. You get me? So I'm like, but in all honesty, I will take a trade if it's. But I don't know where to take my TP. That's a problem. I'll just get out 5 handles. Down goes scan above
I
this.
don't have too many time frame. I only have 1, 3, 5, 15, 30, 45. I don't have a 2 minute. Oh wait, I can create a 2 minute.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can create it.
Oh my gosh.
What?
I didn't know I could do this.
You know you could create a new time frame.
No.
They see the
Let
dollar
me
is
send you my picture.
crashing, bro.
Yeah,
Oh
no.
yeah.
It is.
Oh yeah. This is the fucking long.
All the f- crashing. It's just one of those. Except for Euro USD. Euro's going up.
I'm waiting for shift in market structure. That's all I've been waiting for this whole time is shifting market structure. So
Go,
I
go.
think, and also you also want to. This is where it's like, bro. If you see SMT here, okay, this is where it's like this is a classic setup. You see how we've taken the previous day's low? Now this is textbook now. This is textbook. But the YM created the YM create
And that should just.
SMT.
My trip. Or no, I'm on the wrong S&P.
Okay.
I did shoot down.
I'll go long here.
That's like a buy, right?
Yeah, but not yet. Let the candle close. The candle close. I'm gonna go long once the candle closes. This is another problem I've had. Like I've had where it's like I notice a fair value gap and I put my limit order here, but then the candle doesn't close as a fair value gap. So the candle closes the thing, then I get in the trade, and by mistake, and the trade normally loses if it doesn't keep a fair value gap open. Like it normally loses. Like let's say if this fair value gap like that gets closed, I've noticed that the stop loss always gets taken out now. Like when it does this, when I think it's supposed to go like
Yeah.
launch, it doesn't work. Like I would by mistake be in a trade right now, and then I would get stopped out. But I'm
I
looking at the
wonder how.
hmm.
I wonder how I could get this on MetaTrader. This fucking S&P futures.
No, I think S&P is the same thing as SPY. It's the same shit. The same shit spot, but I'm surprised that we just did not just. I'm surprised the fair value gap didn't get created. So I'm kind of surprised on. Like I expected a fair value gap, but it's just good study to see how I'm managing with myself and stuff. So, so it's the things that Brady would have been nice. You know about SMT and stuff.
What is that?
SMT is where like Nasdaq doesn't take out that low. You see that main low that everybody got taken out. Imagine
Yeah.
Nasdaq not taking that. Then it's saying Nasdaq is unwilling to go lower, and then it just like see Nasdaq has the fair value gap. Nasdaq has the Nasdaq has the fair value gap right there. But oh, I could take. Oh, nothing said I have to trade. Yes, right. Nothing said I have to trade. Yes. So where's Nasdaq? All right. Nothing said I had to trade. Yes. So where? But I don't. The thing that I don't like. The thing. Oh, this is one thing I don't like about. I don't like about yes about like because sometimes trades like this they don't like see how Nasdaq looks cleaner.
Yeah.
Can you see how Nasdaq has the fair value gap by limit? But I just don't know the money. I don't know how the money works for this one at all. I honestly don't know how the money works. I really don't want to over leverage. So I'm risking what? So I'm risking. Okay, I'm okay risking $50 per trade. So 40 is. It's
That
really.
shit's going up.
Yeah, but there's no setup.
Trying to find out how to get this shit on here.
And it's like weirdly uncorrelated too. That's the funny thing. It's like the long was supposed to have been worked. Dow is just sitting there, really doing nothing. S&P is launching higher, like we predicted. But there wasn't a setup to get us long on S&P. I don't think so. It was on the setup. Maybe this is where like I wish I was able to. I wish I was able to get second charts. But you know you could be trading on the
Second
fucking
chart.
second chart. Yeah.
Uh,
This is
what the
where I
fuck?
I wish. No, I'm telling you, shit gets deep, nigga. I'm saying once you start getting more, that's what I'm saying. Watch those videos fast. I don't know why you taking your time. Like you got a whole year to do that shit, bro. That shit's just the beginning. Get to it. That's
Nah.
what I'm saying.
I got
Watching
time.
shit's quick. Not really quick, but like you feel me? Don't need to take forever. So buy side, you see those equal highs, relatively equal.
Yeah.
That's where I think we're gonna go as
How
in
about
buy side. So right, this is where I'm looking for SMT, man. I'm looking for something to tip his hand. I have the Nasdaq, I have the Dow Jones, everything. But see, the thing is that the dollar's going up now, and that was industry should go down, but it doesn't really seem like that. Sleep. Damn,
like
Nasdaq
in
would
the
have.
group? They said today. What did they say in the group chat?
what do you think's gonna happen? It ain't matched up with my analysis. So see, this is where you see Nasdaq went into that pool of liquidity that I was kind of like that I was aiming for before. Let me see. That's what this thing is. Discord.
The new broker they're using, NVFX.
They can fake stuff. You know that, right? Like you can actually like, no, you can actually like people use MT4. You can fake your results in MT4.
Yeah.
That's why a lot of like really really big traders don't.
Hey, good job.
Wait, what did he long?
Bro, live funds?
Oh, he
Nah,
longed
man, why
the
you be trading live funds?
he longed the inversion for Rally Gap.
If
Yeah,
I did not literally say I'm buying here, would you guys have still followed my plan? I said if we broke above this, that's bullish. Remember? So if I didn't say anything, do you guys think you would have still?
bro. Tell me, I just this guy that I'm cool with. He literally took the same trade that I was thinking, but you know what he got in? He got in on that inversion of the for Rally Gap right there. The exact same point where we were aiming for. We're aiming for. So this is the dealing range from this high to this low. We're dead ass above 50% for sure. Can't take a trade. But honestly, I'm not gonna lie. This is good practice in the sense of like, because we outlined this whole trade, bro. From you see where we took out sell side, bro. Also, we're waiting for a market structure shift, but it didn't give us a fair value gap. That's what we're waiting for. And now we have a dealing range from that high. Like if you mark that high to the low we just created, that's our dealing range.
Yeah.
So to go long, we needed to buy something in a discount. And I guess the only thing that worked in the discount was even the Nasdaq trade didn't give us an entry. I guess it was just the inversion, man. It's like sometimes the fucking market's not gonna give you. It's not gonna. It's not just gonna give it to you sometimes, but maybe it's in the other contracts. Let me see regular S&P, the other one. Man, look at the 4 minute and look at the fair value gap at 940.
It was 4 minutes
Yeah,
at 9:40. I don't see one.
on the 5 minute chart.
5 minute. I don't see one.
On the 5 minute
Hopefully,
chart.
yeah, I'm on 5 minute E-mini S&P futures, September 23.
You don't see a fair value gap
You
all
see
the like in between. It's like a form. It's like 940 candle.
940. I see the 940 candle for me is still on. It's on it still. What the fuck?
Look at the time. Like look what time it's like we are in right now. It's like 9:50.
Yeah,
You can't be on the 940
6:52 right
candle.
now. I don't know why my thing is at 940 right now.
Are you on New
I don't
York?
think I'm.
Are you on New York time? New York session? Kill zone?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, just double check that though.
UT4 New York. UT4 New York, right?
Yeah, UT4 New York. So why is yours messed up?
Like my shit's not right. And the thing you're watching is CME. Like that's the people that make the E-mini fucking thing.
Yeah. No, I'm not watching
Uh,
CME. I think I'm watching CME.
I'm just gonna refresh my page. Yeah, like my shit still says 144. Like right
Yeah.
now on the chart, it's 944, but in reality it's 954. I don't know why it's doing this.
No clue. But look at the look at the trade right here. That's the trade. Like if I had like a signal group and they had to pay and they were gonna like pay me money, that's something I would alert.
Yo, my fucking thing is so behind.
Are
Like
you
I pay
paying for it? Did you pay for real time data or are you like using
Yeah, I pay for real time data.
oh, I don't know. So this is where it's like this is what I don't like. I don't like this because but in all honesty, I don't like
Like doing I see what you're talking about forming right now.
you know, ESU.
Like on my other charts though, everything's working, but that ESU one
Like
is
I
not
want to
right.
buy one con in this, but if I buy one here, okay, I'll buy one here. I'll buy one here. Fuck. Didn't buy it right. Then when he taps into this one, I'll buy another one. But I need to go remove it from. No, I need to be quick. I need to be quick. Like this. Delete this. Did I take a screenshot of this? Let me see.
It's just weird. My shit's fucking glitching.
Screenshot.
Oh, I think I fixed it. I don't know.
What did you do? Wait, what? What's like? I just got a notification. What the fuck just happened? Am I in a position? Am I not in a position?
My shit's 10 minutes behind.
I told you, you probably didn't pay for it. I'm not looking
No,
at.
I'm paying. What's included?
Okay.
We're ad free. 'Cause, 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 'cause,
But this is one of those perfect situations where like buying in here isn't premium, Levi. That's the problem. Like, and I knew it too, but it's okay. We're doing two positions. The market trades into this again. We're buying that. So TP is still up here because I know that's where buy side's gonna be. TP is here, and stop loss is beneath this. Stop loss is beneath this. Or I say conjugate encroachment. These two levels. So that's what we're thinking. That's how we position ourselves, man. So up one,
Well, it's trading.
A plus. I'm telling you that alert. You saw what I sent you? The screenshot. That's a A plus alert right here, man. It's a A plus alert. I feel very confident about that. Wait,
On the
let me not
right?
stop saying that to the
On the
bullshit.
right?
The trade I sent you. No, on the one with the executions. What we're talking about right now.
Yeah, you sent three pictures, or it's like three charts.
I'm gonna send you the right one. This one.
I don't know what's wrong with my shit,
I
bro.
think I think it's like
It's off by 10 minutes.
no. Then you definitely gotta pay for it. Then
I pay is the thing, you know? Maybe I don't have the desk. Do you have the test desktop version of TradingView, or do you have just the browser one?
I have the browser.
Because like I go and use DJPY, and it's correct. I go on everything else, it's correct. Like even SPX, like the regular SPX, it's correct. But the minis, it's off by 10 minutes for me.
Damn, my phone died. I didn't even know my phone died.
Hold up, someone's calling me.
It things that you just always want a better feel with stuff like that.
Again, I want to see. So in the next commentary, what I wrote is I want to see a bullish for rally gap. Tell me where we're gonna trade to this data high. Okay, I don't see that yet. I'm anticipating we do. Okay, I think we do. What's up with that? Oh, I gotta turn my headphones on.
Yo,
Yeah, hello.
uh, hey, what's up? But tell me how, bro. I was supposed to take that same long you took, but I waited for value gap. You didn't give it to me, but I went long at the 5 minute for value gap,
Yes.
but I wanted the deeper one in discount though. I wanted that one, but I knew you could still launch from from there, from the one
Yeah,
in premium.
this is just a play where I've seen it so many times where like even if I get in here, the stop's still 2 points. Your stop's a close below this, which is still like 2 or 3 points, so it's still fine.
Yeah, because I just don't use inversions like that. I guess that's why I just didn't see it. But on the 5 minute, it looks really nice.
Yeah, 5 minute.
Like I have a limit order sitting at that second for value gap, but I bought one like in the midpoint of the first one because this could be a
Gotcha.
breakaway gap, and it not trading to this gives me more even more confidence that those equal highs are gonna get ran because I think the draw is like up.
Yeah, I think the draw's up still too.
But you been chilling though. Did he take that
Yeah.
long on? But that long you took was like probably the best, man. Especially those equal highs. But there wasn't the fair value gap. That was literally sitting waiting for a fair value gap. You just didn't
Yeah,
give it to us.
the inverse tells you everything.
Mhm. Nah, for sure. I see that. I see that now. It's just one of those situations where every PD rate is not just going. It's not always gonna be there. Gotta just use what's there.
Yeah, exactly.
It was a classic. It was a took out liquidity. Marks up your
Yeah,
shift. Pretty.
still think we beat this high. Yeah, and we held that. This was perfect. I could have just took this long. See, this is the type of long I want to alert. Like I'm gonna start to alert this in the alert channel, just blindly long it because it looked good. And still no displacement above this.
I sent a screenshot. I was looking for something like that.
Did you post it in chat?
Yeah, I posted in the live trading chat.
Yeah, I see.
But I bought one contract on the first one. Then I was gonna add to it on the second. If you tap the second one, stop loss goes like below the candle.
Yeah,
It's nice. You know what? Right now I've been like recording my executions too.
yeah.
Recently. So that's it. Well, let me mute my mic real quick. He can't hear me. He can't hear me. He can't hear me. Right, 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 right.
Yeah. Gold shorts would have been here. I missed the entry.
Okay, Levi. So that was a really nice run. Pull
I don't really like
liquidity.
gold right now.
5 minute for
Too much
value gap to
consolidation.
pull the liquidity. We wanted this
I'm
entry. Didn't
watch
give
it
it to us. We bought it in here. Target got hit.
at 8:32.
Lovely trade. Love to see it. Love to see it.
8:32.
What can I do to this? Okay, I can paint
Uh,
this up a little bit. Make this look a
Nothing.
little
This is on the sell side of the curve, and there's a
bit. This a
data
little
high
bit.
above. Okay, there's the buy side liquidity on ES.
This liquidity. No, it's my bad. My bad. Sell side. Sell side liquidity. Right there. For value gap. Nicer. Man, okay, Levi. Just before I end the live, right? This is an example of the perfect setup right here. This is what you're looking for, is what you want, just where you want to find consistency, you want to find all the money in the world. Is in
Can't
this
say
setup
boom yet.
right here. Executions, execution labels. But I don't think that was even 5 points because I bought it at the high. 4 coins could have. Who cares how many points is it? But Um, you
Boom.
need to be disciplined, true to your
There it is.
rules, and yeah.
Who caught that?
So yeah, have a good day. Enjoy
Good for two today now.
your trading
I was not expecting to take that.
stream.